Here we are on the London Overground, as you can tell. We are going to, this train is going towards Crystal Palace, but we're going to Canary Wharf. And I'm going to change over onto the Jubilee. This is going to be one of my London videos, one of my London trip videos, as you can obviously tell, London Overground. There's the next of announcements. Very epic. I literally love everything about London. If I lived here, then I would go on overground and underground trips every single day, me. If I lived here. We are just now approaching Haggerston. Already had the doors closing the alarm.
This is the London Overground service to Crystal Palace. The next station is Hoxton.
And off we go. Some people just love feeding. There's a river, I don't know what river that is, but there's a river. There is currently no service between something and Clapham Junction, by the way. Between something Keys and Clapham Junction.
The next station is Hoxton.
No service. There's currently no service between Surrey Keys and Clapham Junction. Currently today. I don't know why, but there is. And then, of course, you'll go in a minute. We only had door closing sound. Because I'm opening the door on this carriage. There we go. That's the door closing sound for the London Overground. This is carriage 38001. Oh, there's another London Overground train passing by.